video presentation is made by Mohr Corporation on behalf of the Summitville tile operations. The main operations of Summitville are in Ohio. This presents the manufacturing facility in Morganton, North Carolina, which is now available for joint venture or for sale. You can contact Mohr Corporation in Michigan. We're available to you at any time by email, phone, fax, or letter. You're looking at the offices and the outside of this 200,000 square foot facility located in the hills of North Carolina in a modern industrial park close to a major interstate. You're going to be viewing the clay storage and material preparation parts of the plant in the beginning of this presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to give you a visual reference to the machinery and equipment, the general construction of the facility, to gain an appreciation for the spaciousness of the plant, the environmental friendliness of the plant, and the available space for additional equipment or for other purposes besides the manufacturing of ceramic glazed floor tile, which was the main product line produced in this facility and would continue to be the main product line based upon a joint venture or using the existing equipment alone. In the material preparation area, there are ball mills, there are slip tanks, dust collectors, material storage hoppers, pumps for slurry, which is what you're seeing at this time. You're seeing the drive for blungers that are in the floor. Very modern accessory equipment such as air compressors. All of the utility services that are installed are of the latest designs and according to the latest engineering standards. This is a view of a CD, that's the manufacturer spray dryer, manufactured in Italy. CD is the company that was the prime contractor for the machinery and equipment of this facility. This spray dryer is the latest design for making bodies for ceramic tile production, and the CD equipment is used throughout the world and is serviced throughout the world. Again, as you look at the equipment in the background, you can see the excellent construction of this modern manufacturing facility, which has adequate space to also be a central distribution warehousing operation for additional products that might be brought from another manufacturing location, either from within North America or from another country or continent. For those that are familiar with the manufacturing of ceramic tile, you'll appreciate that this is the latest model of machinery, and the condition of it all is fully operational at this time. Operations were discontinued in the spring of the year 2002, pending either the sale of the complete facility, including all of the machinery and equipment and other assets in the plant, and the plant itself. This can be an asset purchase just for the machinery and equipment, with the real estate being a situation by which the buyer can be a tenant, or it can be one where the entire facility is sold with the real estate on a cash basis. And financing can be assisted through various lending institutions. You will find that the state and local communities will provide all assistance that they have within their capability for an entity that wishes to continue production at this location. That is the objective of this offer. There is tooling on site, along with all of the necessary equipment to manufacture glazed floor tile. Of course, wall tile, trim, and other products can be manufactured on this equipment in this facility. As we continue through the tour, in a few moments you're going to see the Rossi and CD presses. There is tooling available for a number of tile sizes. There are dryers that handle the product after they've been pressed. You'll see very modern roller hearth kiln installation and all of the necessary glazing and packaging. In the center of the building is a research and quality control lab, in addition to a maintenance shop. These are powder feed hoppers that are over the tile presses. This is one of the CD presses. And note that in the powder feeding, as you look at the hoppers and material conveying system, again, this is a very environmentally friendly facility for handling the raw materials. There were approximately 60 people in this facility operating at 2 shifts per day, producing approximately 190,000 square feet of tile per week. The production can easily be doubled with the addition of one roller hearth kiln, which was intended to be installed but was not installed. You'll see that the space is available for that roller hearth kiln, which is an investment that is encouraged by anyone who is going to continue the operation for the present product line. This is a view of one of the Rossi tile presses. Controls on all of the machinery and equipment are serviceable and very modern. When you contact Mohr Corporation, we can give you a list of the tooling available for the various sizes of tiles that were produced in this facility. We're now turning to the glaze lines. These systems are very automated, have very modern controls, and are all in functional condition. That's the second of the glaze lines. These are some close-up views of the glaze line mechanisms. That's Elias Bucher. That's their nameplate. Good Swiss and Italian makes. It's all high quality engineering. The controls are as modern as you'll find on this type of equipment. This is an overall view, again, of the press area, the tile handling equipment, glazing equipment. Now you can see the roller hearth kiln. Kiln controls. The material flow is very good in this facility. The kiln has the latest technology. Again, the CD roller hearth kilns are used throughout the world in the ceramic tile industry. This is the opposite end of the roller hearth kiln. Beyond this location, we'll shortly be going to the packaging area. These are more overviews of the plant from the center of the plant. This open space is ideally the location for the second roller hearth kiln that would be installed. The flow of the material is going to take us from the powder and material preparation through the forming, glazing, and firing operations, and of course the required drying along the way, to the packaging, which is where we are at this point. This is all very automated equipment. We're now in the warehousing and shipping area of the plant. It's a huge amount of floor space here, properly used. This is part of the office area, very modern. We would like to hear from you if you have an interest in the continued production of your products or the previous products produced at this facility in Morganton, North Carolina. Your contact with Mohr Corporation about this facility to discuss your interests in the facility and its continued operation are very welcome, and we hope to hear from you at Mohr Corporation in the very near future. Thank you very much.